outstanding design defines the 2009 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.